Concepts of these points under the chapter this will be cleared through illustrations in this session. Going to be very important for this. It is requested go through the session completely. Now let's start with the question and concept. Question is, the electric potential at point A is 20 volt and at B is minus 40 volt. Find the work done by an external force and an electric force in moving an electron slowly from B to A. Concept applicable and solution. Work done by external force equal to change in electrostatic static potential energy. That is Q naught V final minus V initial. Final minus V initial. Q naught V final is from B to A. B to A. From B to A. VB V final B to A. VA minus VB. Here test charge is negative. Here Q naught is electron minus 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 Coulomb. VA VB. VA is 20 volt, VB is minus 40. 20 volt minus 40 volt. That comes out to minus 1.6 to minus 19. VA 20 minus 40. On simplification, this comes out to be negative positive, so minus 9.6 into 10 to minus 18 joule. This is the work done by external force. Now, as the meaning of this, moving an electron slowly from B to A. As electron is moved slowly, means that change in kinetic energy is zero. Change in kinetic energy is zero. Therefore, according to work energy theorem, W external plus W electrostatic equal to 0. Therefore, W electrostatic equal to minus W external. That is minus 9.6 into minus 18. That is 18. On further simplification, this comes out to 9.6 into minus 18 joule. This is electrostatic force. Right? This is the final answer. This is the external, this is the electrostatic. Right? Next question. Question is, find the work done by some external force in moving a charge Q 2 microcoulomb from infinity to point where electric potential is 10 to the power 4. Concept applicable and solution. Work done A to B by electric force, that is equal to Q naught VA minus VB. ये matching हो A to B to A to B. WAB by external force, that is Q naught VB minus VA, or you can say minus Q naught VA minus VB, that is negative of work done by electric force. Now in this question, topic is electric potential, absolute potential at a point. Absolute potential at a point. Absolute potential means We are moving the charge from infinity to a particular point. तो हमें चाहिए इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स और W infinity to point A. ये पॉइंट A मान लिया, से पॉइंट A. Then we have to find external force. So a reverse will be there. Q naught into VA minus V infinity minus VA. Sorry, VA minus V infinity. V infinity is 0. So Q naught into VA. Q naught is 2 microcoulomb. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into potential is 10 to the power 4. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. This is the answer. Requirement was external force. Again repeating, electric force में ये और ये matching है. A to B, A to B, A B. In this case, reverse हो जाएगा, negative होता है. ठीक है? Now, further. Next question. Up to this in this session, we have gone through to clear the concept through illustrations. If you have any doubt, please comment. Further, we are going to discuss these. Being very important, go through the session completely. It is also requested कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start the question and concepts. Question is three electric charges Q1, Q2, Q3 are placed at the vertices this. Find the electric potential at the origin. Concept applicable and solution. Electric potential at a point due to a charge placed at a distance. So V equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. इसकी वैल्यू होती है 9 10 to 9 SI unit. Now in this case 3 points are given to you. A, B, C. Q1, R1. Origin से distance लेनी और the distance in the coordinate axis measured from origin. So this comes out to 1. This is given to you 1 coulomb and 1 meter. 1 microcoulomb, 1 meter from origin. Second is minus 2 microcoulomb, 2 meter. Minus 2 microcoulomb, 2 meter. Origin से distance is सारी. And Q3 is 3 microcoulomb. Q3 is 3 microcoulomb. This is 3 microcoulomb. 3 microcoulomb. Q3 is 3 microcoulomb. 3 microcoulomb, 3 meter. Using formula as potential is scalar quantity is to be added algebraically. Is to be added algebraically. So V at origin will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3. Further, 9 10 to the power minus 9 10 to 9 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 कॉमन ले लिया इधर से माइक्रोकूलम को इसमें चेंज कन्वर्ट किया तो 1 upon 1 minus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 3 that is 9 into 10 to the power 3 ये कट कटा के क्या आएगा 1 minus 1 plus 1 that is 1. This comes out to be 9 10 to the power 3 volt. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, find out the points on the line joining 2 points plus q and minus q kept at a distance 1 meter where electric potential is 0. We have to find the points. Point nahi, points. Concept applicable in solution. Potential is a scalar quantity. Is to be added algebraically. Due to point charge, formula is 1 over 4 pi epsilon q upon r. These are applicable. Now, we will try plus q minus 2q. ये पॉइंट ए है, ये पॉइंट बी है. एक पॉइंट पी ले लिए यहाँ पे एट ए डिस्टेंस आर. एक डिस्टेंस आर इनसाइड भी ले लेंगे आउटसाइड भी. लेट पी इज पॉइंट एट ए डिस्टेंस आर right of q. According to question, VPA plus VPB equal to 0. That is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 2q or 3q? 3q. This is 3q into minus 3q upon 1 plus r equal to 0. So this comes out to 1 by r equal to 3q. ये माइनस साइन लगा दिया ना, फिर यहाँ माइनस लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. 3q equal to 3 upon 1 plus r. 1 plus r equal to 3r, 2r equal to 1, r equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5 meter. What is this answer? अगर inside लेके देखें तो क्या होगा? 1 over 4 pi epsilon. Let point is inside. Point P is inside like this r. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus 3q upon 1 minus r. 1 minus r, that is 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 0. On simplification, 1 by r equal to 3 over 1 minus r, that is 1 minus r equal to 3r, 4r equal to 1, r equal to 0.25 meter. This is outside left of q. This is right side of q, where electric potential will be 0 using all these concepts, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, City Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.